Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you see? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I have some information that I'm about to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I get started, I want to let each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, know that some of these information that I'm about to give to you, my viewers and subscribers, might be disturbing to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. So from here on in this video, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now, I saw a video that shows a fight between a man who was holding on to a machete and a man who was holding on to a piece of lumber. Now, some persons might call the lumber a piece of wood. I cannot tell if the lumber is a 2x4 or if the lumber is a 2x6 or what. However, I got the understanding that the lumber is more than 3 feet tall. Alright? Now, the video shows when the man who was holding on to the piece of lumber swing that lumber repeatedly until the man who was holding on to the machete fell to the ground. Alright? Now, I don't want to get into certain details as to exactly how the man with the machete fell to the ground. However, the video shows when the man who was holding on to the piece of lumber went close by or over the man who was holding on to the machete and somehow took up the machete and walked away from the scene of the incident. You see? I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. And I saw the word Portland on a building that you can see in the video. And at least one person who you can hear in the video saying some things used an accent that sound like a Jamaican accent. I did not get any confirmed information if anyone died as a result of the fight between those two persons. Now, my people, me don't know if I hear me here wrong, you know. But I hear when at least one person in the video laugh. See? I mean, I go jump to no conclusion. Me uncle just assume say maybe the person laugh because something happened. Me don't know if it's because of the fight they laugh, but me hear when at least one person laugh. Alright, fine. Viewers and subscribers, in the video, me hear when at least one person said some things that gave me the understanding that that person said, chop him or chop him now. I mean, I said, no man, then I saw. That the person they are, some persons desensitized to crime and violence. That's somebody attack a person with a machete or attack a person with a piece of weapon and you're going to encourage a person to injure the person. Like on a real, that is totally not right. When me a little youth and any farmer fight me here about my community, my people, it's like it shock the whole community. You see it? What go on nowadays? Me can't calculate or understand what go on nowadays. It coming like say people, not all, but some seems as if they desensitized to crime and violence. That's not right. Instead of the person cry for peace, me or somebody say something like, me they might repeat it. But here's the next thing again now, viewers and subscribers. You see? I only hope say whatsoever happened between those two persons stop right there. Now me know say somebody might feel hurt and feel ashamed and feel embarrassed by the situation. Me understand. You see me I say, but at the same time, I wouldn't encourage that person to go put himself in a problem. I wouldn't like for the years and years say some form of retaliation thing happen or something like that. So I only hope say that whatsoever happen here, stop here, and that everything can just forgotten about. You understand what I say to you? Me know say some person might say, oh, Dancehall skilla treat not happen to you. You might be surprised to know. You understand? Yeah, you might be surprised to know. I mean, leave it down. You understand? So me can tell from experience, say it's best to just leave certain things alone. We are saying people, man, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense we got a prisoner worse for foolishness. Just walk away, yo. See, so anyways, my people, I just want to make you know about that situation. You understand? Because the video has been talked about on social media, I should say. You understand? Yeah, I just make you know about the video because the video has been talked about on social media. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that 7 persons had been shot and 2 of those persons died as a result of an incident where it is said that gunmen opened fire at patrons at a party that was being held within the parish of Westmoreland, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. According to information that I got, it is said that the deceased has been identified as Marshall Gale and Cherise Murray. Now, according to other information that I got, it is said that reports from the Savlamar police are that sometime after or a little bit before 8:50 p.m., a group of patrons were at a party in a community that is located within Westmoreland, Jamaica, when explosions were heard. It is said that the police were summoned and all 7 patrons who had been shot were taken to a hospital where Gail and Murray were pronounced dead. It is said that those other persons who had been shot and injured received medical attention. I didn't get any confirmed information about their medical attention, and it is said that the police within the country of Jamaica are doing their investigation to establish the motive of the shooting and other things as well. So may I say, please stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla viewers and subscribers, because I got some unconfirmed information about the situation that I don't want to say in this video. Yeah, not until I get confirmed information about the things that I heard before I can say it in this video. However, you can check the comment section, as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know, if possible. Alright? Now, this is an update about a person who had been shot and injured by the police within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, some time ago, I posted a video that shows some things that the police within the country of Guyana had done in order to apprehend a person who had been accused of murder. See? Now, according to news articles that I read and according to information that I got, it is said that the person who had been accused of murder goes by the name of Jason Bailey, and it is said that he had been accused of hacking a person to death sometime within the month of January the year 2022. See? Now, I posted a video some time ago that shows some things that the police within the country of Guyana had done in order to apprehend that person who goes by the last name of Bailey. To my understanding, Bailey had been shot and injured by the police within the country that is known as Guyana, viewers and subscribers. Now, I saw a video posted on social media that shows relatives of the person who had been shot and injured by the police within the country that is known as Guyana. And according to some things that at least 2 of those females who I saw in the video said, I got the understanding that the person who had been shot and injured by the police within the country of Guyana had been hospitalized and is in hospital. I got the understanding that they said that his room is dirty, his bed is dirty, his intestines had been damaged. I don't know if it is all or part of his intestines, and that he cannot walk, and that there is something connected to a part of his body that allows him to pass feces. Is it? Now, overall understanding that I got from some of the things that they said is basically that they are concerned about his health, and I also got the understanding that the person who had been shot and injured by the police have some form of mental issues, and these are based on some things that I heard in the video, viewers and subscribers. You understand? And I also got the understanding that those relatives are upset as to the condition that they went to the hospital and saw their family member in, or they saw Bailey in. You understand? So this is just to make you know what I want, viewers and subscribers. As I say, I cannot really and truly present that video to you, because that video is somewhat heartbreaking and other things about it as well to viewers and subscribers. And on a real, I just give you some updates about some things that happened not only within the country of Jamaica, but other places out there in the world. Alright? I also got information that the busy Coronation market was the scene of a double murder on Saturday. That would be the 5th of February, the year 2022. According to some information that I got, and according to some things that I read in this news article that I'm looking at right now, it is said that 2 persons had been shot and killed, and that those 2 persons had been identified as 50-year-old shopkeeper Carlton Armstrong, and that the other person had been identified as 21-year-old Arnaldo Turner. According to some things that I read in this news article, it is said that those 2 persons had been shot and killed sometime at about 12:30 a.m. and that they were taken to a hospital where they had been pronounced dead. It is said that the police within the country of Jamaica have sorted and to assure that despite the double murder, persons can conduct their regular shopping activities and business within the Coronation Market area, and that the police will maintain a strong presence within the area while they probe the double murder. You see? Yeah, and I also got the understanding that no motive for the double murder had been established as yet, and that's based on some things that I read in the news article. And I think here's where I'm going to leave the viewers and subscribers. You understand? It's quite disturbing, some things that happen in the country. You know? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Now, big up and respect to each and every one, and stay safe, walk good. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm going to big up on yourself. You see?